I
Have
think
I
it is.
saved it? Yeah, I saved it. It's on Google Docs. Google Drive.
I think it is not there.
Is it? Let me
Let
check.
me share my screen. Do you see my screen?
Yeah. It's task 29.4. Yeah, it's that one. It's the second one.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Hello. 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 Do you listen me?
Yes.
Okay. So where is the task that you completed?
It's task 29. It's up. 29 point. Yeah, that one.
This one.
Yeah. The one under that was I messed that file up. It was I meant to
No,
do .html, but I wrote .txt accidentally.
but I think it should contain more than one HTML files, not only one HTML file.
What do you mean?
Just a minute. Let me first of all download it. Where is the download option? This one. Feature on. Let me sort it by. Actually, I sent you this file. There was a PDF file, book format.pdf. Do you see this?
Uh,
This one.
yeah.
So the task was this. First of all, you need to create this file about.html. Okay. Then this is the format of this file. Then the other files would be this about author.html for this link. Then there should be another file publisher.html. Okay. Then chapters.html. Then ch1.html, ch2.html like this.
Mm.
And then you need to create all the links. Means this will be a link. It will point to this file chapters.link. It will point to chapters.html. It will point to author.html. It will point to publisher.html. Something like that. And
Uh,
overall interface of every page is same. Means every page is having this type of menu about chapters, author, publisher. But when our control is on about.html, then this menu is highlighted. This is bold, and these are not bold. Okay. When we are on author.html, then this author is bold and others are normal. Do you understand? When we are viewing this page, publisher.html, then this publisher is bold and other links are normal. something like that.
Yeah, actually. I did that, but I used the name tag, the a name and the a etc.
No. So that was the concept of internal linking. Let me open that file that was uploaded. I think it is containing everything in a single file. Okay, so you have also
Yeah.
used the style style tag. That means you are also learning CSS. That is fine.
Yeah, I went to W3 schools and I like spent like
Yes.
an hour and a half on that.
So actually, this is the old one. It is using the this internal links.
I thought
This
you told me
is
to use internal links.
yes. This is about the internal links. But this
Yeah.
task, this was not about the internal link. It was about the external link. That's why I have
I,
written the name of the files.
yeah.
This is the name of the
That's
file.
my bad. That's my bad.
So, sir, Rashid,
Uh-huh.
yeah. So you asked him to create multiple files, right, about
Yes,
HTML,
yes,
author
yes,
HTML, and
yes,
then do an href over there, right?
yes. And
Achha.
just
Sir,
create link.
can you just show me? Can you just read his code and show me how you can create that first box? Because we had a big problem putting this page will display.
No, the text, it says display. This page will display some information about the book. It wasn't working. Like we couldn't merge it. Like
Can you read our code and see what he did wrong? Because I even could not figure it out.
No, you just need to, in the first line, it will contain HTML concepts. The second
no,
line,
no,
it
no,
okay.
no. We got that. It went into the box, but we put line spacing in between about, chapters, author, and publisher.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was
Yeah.
line spacing that line, and it just wasn't working out. I spent
Yes,
like a
no,
long
at this
time
moment,
doing it.
you can put only one space there. Okay. At this moment, you can put only one space. But there is an option for multiple space. Actually, let me just open your file. I think I forgot to uh, discuss that. There was a discussion about these special characters somewhere else. Ampersand alpha, ampersand beta. Do you remember this
Yeah,
one?
I think so.
Yes, yes. So there is one more special character that I forgot to tell you. This is ampersand NBSP semicolon. Okay. This is known as none.
Oh yeah, I saw that on W3 schools, but
Yes, this
I
is not
didn't.
none
Yeah.
blank space. So suppose if you want to put more space between two links, okay, or two words, then you can use this ampersand NBSP semicolon. For example, if I'm writing here about, okay, and then suppose I want to put multiple space. So what we need to do, just copy this from here. At this moment, later we will do it with the help of table tag or div tag, that is different thing. But at this moment, we will use only this one. Suppose we want to put, okay, so what it will do, it will create this much of a space. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 spaces. Then after about, I think it was chapters. Then again, like this. Then author, and so on. Do you understand? Means you can put multiple spaces here. Then in that case, what will happen? If there will be some more space. Otherwise, if you put more than one space, then it will take automatically only one space. Means when we will write like this, um, about, and then in this type of space, and then author, then chapters,
Oh,
then this space, okay, and then author. Then what will happen? Although there is multiple space here, but in the output there will be only one space between this or about and chapters. Similarly, there will be only one space. That's why this special character code has been defined. This is known as the non-blank space. This N for none, B for blank, SP for space. Means it is a space, but this is not blank. It is something like this. It is not blank. Means it will create some space. It will occupy some space. So you can use this NBSP semicolon for this purpose. Okay. Do you understand?
yeah.
So should I create the first file for you now? This one, about.html.
Yeah, if you can create one of this and show us how you would write the code. Now you
Okay.
आपने हमारा देखा है, right? अब अपना दिखाओ आप हमको.
Okay.
Because if we can create one, then we can create all the others, no?
Yes. So actually, this is very simple because we are only using this header, then this menu, and then this is the content. Okay.
Yeah.
So this about.html. It means just create one file.
We call it about to HTML because he already created one more.
Okay. No, so what we will do, we can make a folder or something like this. Let me save it. There is already a file whose name is about.html. Okay. So we can give its name about book.html. Now we have to start with the HTML tag, then the head tag, and then the title tag. And here we can write the title about book. After this, see our body tag. Now here we can organize. First of all, we need to display this method, this one, HTML concepts. So this will be a header. So we can use h1 or h2. So here we can write suppose h2, and then this center tag, and then that one HTML concepts. After this header, now what we can do, we can put a HR so that a line will be drawn. And after this, now we can create a tag. So we can write a and href equal to. So it should point to itself. So about underscore book dot html. And this will be a link, so about is there. Then some space. Suppose 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose 10 space is there. The next menu is chapters, then author, then publisher. So this is for the chapter, this is for author, this is for publisher. So let us give its name chapters book. Then author book.
Oh, yeah.
So here it should be author. Then publisher book. Okay, and it should be publisher. Now this menu is finished. So again we can put one more HR. And then here we can write some content. So only this content is there. This page will display some information about book. So we can write it. So we can put a p tag also because this is a new paragraph. This page will contain some information about the book. And once this content is finished, then at the bottom we can create a, is there any footer? No, there is no footer. So there is no need of using that HR tag. This is just a basic structure. It's about book.html. Let me open this file. Do you see this?
Oh, yeah.
So this is the very basic file, and now it is having all the menus. So this is the first menu, second menu, third menu, fourth menu. And since we are on this page, about page, so at this moment it should be bold or underlined or italic, something else, so that we can understand that this is our current menu. So we can change its size, we can change its color, anyone. For simplicity, I have just made it bold, but it is not necessary. We can change its color also. Okay, we can change its size also. That depends upon us. We can change its background color also. Anything means the user will understand that the control is on this page. Okay, so for that purpose, here we can this about. We can make it italic. Suppose I tag is here, and then I closing it here. So this is italic, and these are not italic. Now when we will click on this book, this link, then the control will go to chaptersbook.html. So now we need to create another file similar to this, and its name will be chaptersbook.html, and its format will be like this here. So this file chaptersbook.html, it will contain a list. So here you can use the ordered list. Okay, and this chapter 1, it should again be a yes, and it should here again it should be a link, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, so that when the user will click on this chapter 1, then this file will be opened, ch1.html. Okay, like this. When the user will click on this chapter 2, then ch2 will be opened. So in case of chapters.html, in case of ch1.html, in case of ch2.html, and in case of ch3.html, this will remain highlighted, this chapters menu. So this is very simple. This is just an example of how we are using the link tag. Actually, this link tag is very interesting tag, and this is only the A tag which is making this all this website and all this concept very much popular. And lot of sites are there which are doing nothing, But what they are doing, they are simply providing a link. For example, there is a very famous website here. Its name is Linktree. No, its name is Linktree. This is a very interesting site. Linktree. Let's see this. Its name. It is linktr.ee. क्या? Do you see this? So anyone can create an account here, okay, and then he can create a link for himself. For example, I am also having an account. This is my account, okay.
क्या करता है?
बस लिंक क्रिएट करता है और कुछ नहीं. So here this is my profile page, and now there is a facility to add a new link. Here I have added one link here, okay, and this is my page. So and this is my link. So what I have to do, suppose I am having different websites. For example, this is my website for software development work. Suppose there is another website that is related to my university. Then there is another website that is related to my family. Okay, there is one other website that is related to my hobbies, something like this. So what we can do, we can create different links here. Okay, and then I can share this URL with anyone. This linktree/ccp plainx. So when someone will visit this URL, then he will see a link, see a page just like this, and from here, this page, it is containing nothing. It is only containing the A tag. That's all. So the first A tag for the first link, second A tag for the second link, third A tag for the third link. So this A tag is very interesting, and this is very powerful tag. We have to just think what we can do with the A tag. What are the possibilities with the A tag? Lot of possibilities are there, because all the businesses of the internet, they are all done with the help of this A tag. Only this A tag. So that's why I'm saying its concept is very interesting. So you need to create these remaining 4 files. No, not only 4 files. one chapters.html, then author.html, then publisher.html, and then ch1, ch2, and ch3.html. And then later we will do what? Later we will break this file in different parts. Means this will be the header.html. This part it will be the menu.html, and this will be the content.html. At this moment, everything is written in the same file. So that will be learned later. Do you understand?
Yeah, but for my task 21.4.20, how do you like merge that? Like, still, how do you like merge it even if you don't use the NBSP tag?
How do you mean merge?
Yes.
Huh?
He's showing you.
You don't want to use this NBSP semicolon. Hello.
Yeah.
So
Not
then,
that for the task.
no. So actually, what you want to do? You don't want to use this NBSP.
नहीं वो बोल रहा है कि उसका जो टास्क है ना
हाँ.
वो एग्जैक्टली कैसा बनाते हैं वो टेबल वो आप कोड कंप्लीट वो जिसमें आपने बॉर्डर डाला है सेंटर किया है जैसे आपने बनाया ना वो डायग्राम आपका टास्क देखें ना
No, yeah,
that's what you're saying.
Look at the task, but how do you like
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
नहीं आप टास्क किधर है आपका टेक्स्ट
ये टास्क
होमवर्क का
हाँ
होमवर्क हाँ ओके
ये so I just want to check this code. What is the quality of code?
Is this what you wrote?
Yes. So this is the head tag. This is title. Okay. Body is there. Basic color left margin.
इसने बहुत सारा उसमें CSS सब डाल दिया इसमें
नहीं बहुत सारा नहीं है थोड़ा सा है बस यहाँ से यहाँ तक ज़्यादा नहीं है
आपने उसको सिखाया है क्लास और वो
अभी नहीं सिखाया कॉपी पेस्ट किया हुआ है वो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे उसके बाद अभी कॉपी पेस्ट किया हुआ है
अच्छा
लेकिन वो अभी समझ रहा है ना कि उसका क्या उसका यूज क्या है then this a tag is there center tag is there u tag is there yes now this is properly aligned this is now because this p tag this is inside this s4 tag here
the align is misspelled it's ALIN ALL
Okay.
वो align misspell किया उसने देखा आपने
yeah
57 पे हाँ
It worked, but seriously.
and no what is problem here one thing more here this HR is starting from here and where is the closing of HR at this point okay
Yeah.
means this HR is containing all these things this p tag then HR tag and then this br tag then it's okay so this HR tag it should be here then it will look like if this is inside the HR s4 tag then a tag again br HR s2 center then again s4 yes now this is better and this is properly lined everywhere I think this is copy and paste now here this is correct name equal to a3 chapter 1 h2 center ul okay this is the unordered list and then list item so why you created this ul tag
I don't know. I just like the unordered list better, I guess. I don't know.
no but it is already there this ul tag so where is the closing of this ul this is missing this is
I
not,
just saw it in your notes. I was just like, I'll just do it like that.
no this is not correct because here this ul tag is here okay so all these li these to be the parts of this ul tag okay and this s3 this is the heading of this UL tag, something like this. So this UL, this is wrong. It should not be like this. Just delete it and cut it from here. Okay. Like this, and then that S3 tag, it should be placed here.
So what about the lie tag?
Li
Oh,
is
it's
correct.
there. Okay.
Li
Never
is
mind.
correct.
Never mind. Okay.
Now this is correct. This is a heading, chapters, and then there is a list of chapters. Okay, and this is the first list item, second list item, third list item, and so on. Now this is correct. Then chapter 1, H4, then P tag, then here H4 is closing, then H2, then again H4. Yes, now it is correct. Let me check its output.
Could you like check? Yeah. Could you check it on Chrome?
Just a minute, I am running this file. Yes, this is very fine. This
I
page
just
will-
don't understand how to get this page will display some text into the box.
This one.
Yeah. I don't know how to get that into the box. I was having like a very hard time doing that.
So how you draw this one?
I used CSS in the style, and then there was this
Okay,
and then there's this tag called like
that's why
PR
actually
corners.
here is the code. This
Yeah.
width is there, height is there, padding is there. Okay, so actually this is an ID of an element, so it must be used somewhere else in this program.
Oh yeah, it's down there. It's on the.
Control S,
Yeah.
Control F. This is just like the employee ID.
Yeah, it's right there. PR
Okay.
corner.
So what you can do, you can put this P tag, okay, within this P tag. You can use this P tag, just cut it from here and paste it here. Okay. So there is nesting of P tag within P tag. This is the outer P
Oh,
tag
yeah.
and this is the inner P tag. Do you understand?
Yeah, I see.
Just a minute. Yes, now this is right. Now let us see. No, it is still not inside there.
Press the three. No, press the three buttons over there. For the Google Translate, and just say don't show translate.
No, here
No,
this
it's not work. It's not working because of lorem ipsum. Go to the refresh it again.
okay. No, let me first of all check
Oh.
why it is not going inside this P tag. So there must be some attribute, CSS attribute that has been used, but here we are
No,
using
if you don't do the lorem ipsum change thing, it won't change your thing. It won't change the file. So
which
wait, go
one?
back to Chrome. No, just go back to Chrome. Go back to the file on Chrome,
Yes.
and then refresh it. And then go to the three dots over there. 3 dots.
Here.
Keep it on Latin. Keep it on Latin. Just go to the
Why?
3 dots. Yeah. No, never translate. Don't translate. It said never translate.
Never
Just do
translate.
that. Yeah,
Yes.
and now refresh.
No,
Oh,
still
it's
it
still
is
not
outside.
working. Oh, okay.
Still.
Why is it outside?
That means actually it is what class you have used. It all depends on what spacing is there, what spacing is
I
there.
did the 0.1 centimeter word spacing so I could try to fit it in there, but it still didn't work. So I used 2 classes instead.
Let us first of all remove this style tag, okay, and this class. Simply use this text. Okay.
Yeah, that was our problem.
Yes.
Yeah, we were able to do that.
Yeah, we did that.
Now we need to change its formatting. Here we can use suppose a span tag.
Span tag क्या करता है वो?
जैसे div है उस तरीके से span है ब्लॉक क्रिएट करने के लिए. And
Yeah. What is span do again? Is it like a div tag?
yes, this is just like a div tag.
Okay. Container tag है मतलब.
Hmm?
It's like a container tag.
Yes, this is just like container tag. And here we
But
can use style equal to text.
okay.
Line.
Yeah, that's what we did. If you look up the top
Yeah,
style
ये
text
style-
align left.
ये स्टाइल इक्वल टू टेक्स्ट लाइन ये CSS तो नहीं है, HTML ही है.
नहीं ये तो CSS हो गया ना यहाँ से अब.
हाँ,
Now this is
स्टाइल इक्वल टू टेक्स्ट लाइन. हाँ.
now this is CSS.
तो आप CSS HTML टैग में सीधा एम्बेड कर सकते हैं.
हाँ कर सकते हैं यहाँ जिस कर रहे हैं ना अभी because this is the
या
code
बट
of CSS.
वो ऊपर डिफाइन करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं है जरूरत. दोनों पॉसिबिलिटी है डिफाइन कर भी सकते हैं नहीं भी कर सकते हैं.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Actually and then here this is class equal to C. That means there what is written in the class C.
क्लास
This
में
is
क्या?
word. Okay.
वर्ड स्पेसिंग. अच्छा.
And then class A, just the
So this
other
is
one.
P
is
dot C. Okay, and that means this class will be applicable only on paragraph.
On paragraph. हाँ.
Only on paragraph.
But can you make it general so that class can apply to anything? नहीं?
You can make it general. So we have to we use only this dot C. Only the dot
Yes,
C.
dot three.
So no, just a minute. Here we need to use this word spacing.
हाँ.
इसको फिर यहाँ use करना होगा यहाँ here for this span tag.
Can you change it to like 0.1 centimeters? Oh, okay.
Yes,
Wow.
it is like this. Now
Can
we
you
can
change it to 0.1 centimeters? Even smaller, yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
like this. Now we can put here center text line. Now it will be center line.
And
No. Why?
you didn't close it, I don't think.
No. Text align colon center. And then word. Actually, there is effect of this style here. But it should have right. It should have then word spacing 0.1 centimeter.
Ah.
So the thing is that I think we should set width of this span tag. Then it will work properly. Suppose it is 100%.
Does that like override the other tags?
No. Is that this span tag? This is inside the P tag. Okay. So the width of this span tag, this has to be increased. Let me just a minute. What is the width of this P tag? 800 pixel. Okay.
1,000.
We have to also make it 800 pixel. But it's still not. That means text hyphen align colon center. This is correct. Then word is semicolon is there. Then word spacing 0.1 centimeter. And then width colon 800 pixel.
Why don't you just do a center tag instead of a text align?
No, we can also use the center tag here.
Yeah.
That is different. But it should also work. Just a minute, let me check it. But now it is out. It is outside this, outside the box. In this case, this is going outside the box. So why it is going outside the box? Let this width. It is still outside. So when the center is not used, then it is inside. And here, different BR tags are there. So what is the height of this box? Font color equal to black, A tag, about, A tag, author, A tag, this one. Okay. So you use the font tag outside the A tag. Then there is a style tag. So another possibility is that we can use the positioning system here. Then it will be controlled. Here I am writing position absolute. Okay. And then now we can control its exact position, where exactly with respect to its container. So its container is p tag. And then now we can set the left colon, suppose 10 pixel. Then top colon, again 10 pixel. Let me check it. It is not that. Position absolute. And then left colon 10 pixel. Whether here is also used position, border padding, width, height. Okay, here position is not there. So
I saw another graph that had position.
no,
This stuff.
position is very important because without position it will not be in control. Without position, we can only now we have to uh, format it. Means suppose here we have to use the left and right, left and top. So left, suppose left is 100 pixel. That means it is not more than 300 pixel. Now let us check it. Yes. So it should not be 300. 300 is more. I think 250 is correct. Now this is 250 from here, okay? And this one, it should go down. So what we should do here, this top, at this moment it is 10, suppose it is 100, then what is happening? This page will display some text. No, that means position absolute left is 10 pixel and suppose this is 500 pixel, then that means there is no effect on its height. This top is there. Yes. So now 400 is more edge. Suppose if this is 100 only, and the left should be 250. Why for that? So suppose this is 400. Okay. Now this should be suppose 200. In case of absolute positioning, we have to fix it exact coordinates. So now it is here. Now this is in full control. And then this.
सर इसको कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दिया इसको.
हाँ, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है असल में क्या है कि वो प्रॉपर्ली क्लास डिफाइन नहीं किया हुआ है.
Yeah, the class is not defined. Why didn't you show him a simple method, and once he gets to CSS, then let him figure out how to do it using CSS?
Yes,
Because right now
better we can do it.
he's been. Yeah, I appreciate कि उसने मालूम काफी research किया इसके ऊपर, लेकिन वो implementation सही नहीं है. When you come to CSS, you can show him the right way to do it because his code is very messy right now.
Yes. Now this is correct in the format that he wants.
But
Actually,
I'm not
what we have done, this is a box, okay?
Yeah.
And this is another box. This is a span tag. And then we have what we have done. We have set the top and left for this box as well as this top and then the left for this.
Yeah, it's simple. Not
But then
Actually, there is a concept of this mathematics, x coordinate and y coordinate. It is just like the coordinate geometry. It is just like the coordinate geometry. So every element is having its position in terms of x coordinate and y coordinate. So here this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Okay, so we have to think in terms of that coordinate.
yeah, I
This-
do that.
Yes, actually this attribute is very important. This position. So different possibilities are there. It can be absolute, it can be relative, okay, it can be fixed, and it can be static. 4 different possibilities are there. So we will learn each and everything in the CSS part when we will learn the CSS. What is the meaning of absolute? What is the meaning of relative? What is the meaning of fixed? And what is the meaning of static? Like this. Then we will understand how to position the elements on the web page, on the page. Okay. But this is the simplest one, this absolute. Means when we are doing absolute, then what we are doing, we are placing the x and y coordinates from this corner, from the left hand top corner of the browser. Because this browser, this body tag, this is the container of my element. So from here we have to measure what will be the value of x coordinate and what will the value of y coordinate. And for x coordinate, this left attribute is there, and for y coordinate, this top is there. And then we can position element anywhere as per our choice. Okay. So you just need to complete this one first of all. Now let us move further. Today it is this is 29. Okay. Today it is May 2nd. Next one is the 30. And its name is image mapping. This is also a very interesting thing. Suppose we are having an image and we want to just display that image as a link. So what we should do? We should simply put the img tag inside the a tag. Do you understand? Suppose we are having an image whose name is linux.jpg. So if I am writing like this, a and then href equal to linux.html, and then here img and then src equal to, suppose our image name is linux.jpg, and then this a tag. So can you guess what will happen here? It will display this image, but
Only
this
if you
image,
click on it.
yes, it will display this image, but this whole image will be a link.
Yeah.
And when we will click on this image, then the control will go to this file. Okay. Here,
So wait, when you click on it, will it pop up on your page or will it send you to a different page?
yes, it will send to the different. And this is another page. Suppose this file is different file. Okay. Suppose its name is image.html, like this. Here, what is happening here? Image.html will display the image linux.jpg in such a way that when user will click on it, then the file linux.html will be displayed. I think it should be clear to you, because this is very small tag. What we are doing, we are only using the ing tag and then we are using this a tag. Do you understand this? Hello?
Yeah. Oh, it's off.
Okay, okay, just a minute. Let me create a file for. Suppose
You do it on
this,
that one.
let us save this file with that name. Suppose its name is image.html. Okay. And now its title is image link. And this is our body tag. And here, within the body tag, suppose we have written this code. In our case, the situation is that we are having a folder whose name is images. And I think there is a file whose name is linux.jpg and that is available inside this folder. Let me check it.
I think you've already downloaded that last
Yes.
like yeah.
Yes.
But- okay.
No. Now let's open that file here. Okay, so here is the image tag. Here, this double quotes is missing. This is broken because the path is not correct. I think this is JPEG. So this is our page. Now when someone will click here, so what will happen? If you will click here, then what will happen? It will go to the file linux.html.
Wait, can you click on it? I want to see.
And that file is not here, so that's why it is displaying object not found.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Sometimes the situation is that one image is containing photo of multiple things.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, let me show an example to you. Linux distribution image. Okay. Let us search for the images. No, let us search for different thing. Understand it. Operating systems. So do you see this image? It is containing photo of four different operating systems.
Linux operating system?
Yeah, it's like
Oh,
Windows.
I thought it was just some penguin.
It's an
Voice
operating system.
is broken.
Speak to him properly.
Sounds.
स्पीकर प्रॉब्लम
क्या आवाज नहीं आ रही है क्या?
नहीं, बहुत मतलब ब्रेक किया हुआ है, ब्रोकन टाइप का है.
Oh no! Sorry.
इट्स नॉट क्लियर.
अभी भी नहीं आ रही है?
नहीं, आवाज आ रही है लेकिन क्लियर नहीं है, वो बिल्कुल ब्रोकन है वो. अभी इसके पहले से
आप रिकनेक्ट करेंगे? रिकनेक्ट करना है तो कर दें.
रिकनेक्ट.
नहीं अगर कनेक्शन, अगर शायद कभी बार कनेक्शन खराब हो जाता है तो आप रिकनेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना. डिस्कनेक्ट करके
कनेक्शन तो यहाँ सही दिखा रहा है, वो दिखा रहा है ग्रीन कलर दिखा रहा है उसका.
आपको अभी भी आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही है?
हाँ, अब सही है, अब सही हो गया.
आप सही है, कभी बार होता है यार.
Yeah.
अब सही है. तो जैसे ये इमेज है, ओके, इट इज कंटेनिंग द फोटो ऑफ 4 डिफरेंट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स. दिस इज फॉर विंडोज, दिस इज फॉर मैक, फॉर एंड्रॉयड, एंड दिस इज फॉर लिनक्स. ओके, so what we want to do, we want to make this area as clickable, then this area also as clickable, then this area also is clickable. Okay, and when someone will click here, then it will call a file that is windows.html. When someone will click on this image, then it will call mac.html. By clicking here, it will call android.html, and clicking here, it will call linux.html, something like this. Although the image is same, but we are creating 4 different links. So let me show how to do this. This is also very interesting. So let us save this image, and suppose its name is os.jpg, operating system. What we will do, this file is the image.html. Now create this with, suppose its name is os.html. And image mapping. Title is this. Now what we have to do, first of all, we need to display that image. For that purpose, we can use the img tag like this. Now let us load this file.
Wow.
Do you see this?
Yes.
Okay, now at this moment, this image is not a link. Now our target is that we have to make 4 different links. First link for this, second link for this, third link for this, and fourth link for this. Because these are a photo of 4 different operating systems. Okay.
Yeah.
So for that purpose, what we will do, we will create a map, and that map will represent this image. So here we will use a map tag. There is a tag whose name is map, and then we will provide its name. Suppose name is OS. OS for operating
Don't
system.
you have to do os.html or just os?
No, just the name for the.
Oh, just a name.
This is the name of suppose the name OS map. This os.html, this is the name of our file, and OS map, this is the name of our map. Okay.
Could be Taha too. Could be anything.
Anything. Now this map, it should contain different area. Okay. So for example, we are having 4 area. This is our first area. This is second area. This is third area, and this is fourth area. Okay. So we will use 4 different area tag. Like this area. Just it is suggesting. So we need to define this shape. What is the shape of our area? So it is clear from the photo. This is a rectangular area.
Yeah.
So here we can write rect. And then we need to put the coordinates. This is important. So the coordinate is like this. It is left top and right bottom. So this is the left top corner, and this is the right bottom corner for this area. Then for this is the left top, and this is the right bottom. So how to find what will be the left top and what will be the?
There's a lot of trial and error.
No,
right?
not trial and error. I'll show you.
What we can do, we can open this image in any editor. Suppose in Linux, I am having this program. You can on Windows you can open it in Paint and Brush or this any other image manipulation program.
आप लिनक्स पे हैं अभी?
हाँ Linux पे है.
Okay, so this is an editor. So in Windows you have another editor.
Anyone. Paint.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. So just see, when we are moving mouse here, then here at this location it is showing the coordinates. Do you see?
Yeah.
So here this will be 0 0. I think if this is the starting point, then this will be 0 0.
0 0. Yeah. All start 0 0.
Here it is roughly it is 80 and 150. Suppose.
So 80 from the top and 150 from the left, right?
Yes. 0 0.
0 0.
80 and 150.
You understand what we just
Yeah,
did?
no, I understand.
Okay.
That's cool.
Those are
I
coordinates.
just don't know which editor we have.
We can
I have,
find. We'll find one. We'll find one.
This is left top and this is right bottom.
Left
just
top,
photos.
left top, and right bottom.
And this is first image. This is about the Windows operating system. So here we can write the name of another file. Suppose this is windows.html.
So if you click on that box,
It'll go to
take
Windows.
it Windows.html. Yeah.
Now just look at this page. No, one thing more. So this first area is defined. Now suppose our map is containing only one area, that is for Windows. Now what we have to do, we use this map with this img tag. Here we have to write use map equal to hash and then OS map. Name of the
What does
map.
that mean?
Hashtag is just
Use map, this is the attribute of this img tag. Okay.
Okay, what does it do?
And then here we have to use this name, OS map,
Oh, we have to use that name. Okay.
with hash symbol. Because
oh,
this
so
is
it's a trigger.
that's all. This is interesting. Now let us replace this. Just see, this part is
Oh,
link.
wow.
This is not
It's
link.
link.
This is not link.
This is not
This is
done.
Do you understand?
अच्छा वो जो लिंक है वो लिंक अगर दबाएंगे तो कहाँ जाएगा वो दूसरा फाइल बनाया आपने यानी
HTML पे, this file is not here, so it is showing object not found. But in this
okay,
file,
okay. We're not creating the other file, right?
At least you know it works.
Yeah.
yes. Similarly, now just copy this area tag.
Okay.
And
Wait,
then
what's the alt for?
What is the alt for? Alt का आपने कुछ बताया नहीं.
okay, this is alternate text.
हाँ. Okay, that's the text that shows up. The text that shows up when you hover over the image.
Oh, the tag.
Yes, sir.
Click.
Just Windows.
आप इसमें click लिख दो.
Just right click.
Click लिखो आप. Click लिख दो ना. हाँ, सिर्फ click लिख दो. तो वो नजर आएगा ना click if you hover over it.
No, it is not displaying here. This is actually
कहाँ आ रहा है वो?
this is actually the alternate text. Okay, means we have to write something about this link, about this area. कि what this area is.
Okay, लेकिन नजर कहाँ आएगा वो? Where does it show?
नहीं, वो नजर नहीं आएगा. It will be read by this search engine.
Search engine. Oh,
Search engine.
okay, it's behind the scenes. It's for the search engines to recognize what this is. Okay.
So here we should write something about Windows,
Huh.
like this. Now here, for the second one, the same step should be there. Just go here. Now just here put the mouse pointer. It is 85 and 2. 82 and 2 means it is 80 and 0, like this. It is
82 and 2.
So this is 80 and 0. And then
Okay. Show me why that is 80 and 0 again.
No, he just did it. He
No, I
put
want
his
to see
mouse-
it.
corner, this corner.
हाँ, वो क्या है वो? वो 80 and नहीं.
ये नीचे दिखा ना 83 दिखा रहा है वो.
हाँ.
हाँ मतलब रफली मैंने वहाँ लिखा है वो, ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट नहीं वो.
क्या लिखा आपने?
80 and 0.
82 and 0, this one. This is the exact coordinate.
82 कहाँ से है? Left से है कि ऊपर से है?
Right there.
Left से.
Left से. So from here it's 80 and then 0 there because 0 is the starting point over there, right?
0 from the top. 0 from the top.
0
80 from the left and 0 from the top. Okay. And then here. It is 164 and 151.
151. हाँ.
So we can say 165 and 150, something like this.
हाँ, 165 and 150. 165 from the left है ना? हमेशा
Yes.
x और y है ना, वो x and y.
हाँ हमेशा एक्स वाई होगा, हमेशा पहले लेफ्ट देन टॉप, लेफ्ट देन टॉप.
Yeah. But this is important.
How many pixels from the left side and how many pixels from the top?
हाँ ठीक है.
So 165 and 150. So here we can write 165 and 150. Just see, this is 165. Okay, and
How
now
come the Y's are always the same? Oh wait.
this is mac.html.
कुछ सब्ट्रैक्शन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट वाले इमेज को लेफ्ट इमेज से, नहीं ना?
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वो मतलब वो किस पार्ट, मान लीजिए केवल इसी पार्ट को, केवल जो आइकन है ना, केवल इसको बनाना है, अगर लिंक
हाँ,
पूरे को नहीं बनाना है तो इसका ये वाला पॉइंट और इसका ये वाला पॉइंट ले लेंगे.
राइट.
वो डिपेंड करता है. अभी हमने क्या किया है, पूरे को बना दिया है, लेकिन पूरा बनाना कोई जरूरी नहीं है.
We can also select these 2 points inside the image.
Rect है ना, it can be, there are 3 different possibilities. One is the rect, then circle and then poly. ठीक है.
And
So
poly.
rect is for the rectangle, circle is for circle and poly is for polygon. Means with the help of poly what we can do, we can exact map because this is a polygon.
हाँ ठीक है.
This is a polygon like this.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो उस केस में क्या करना होगा कि we have to find the coordinate of each and every turning points. Every turning point. Every turning point. Polygon इसमें.
Every point.
Every point. And then we have to write every point here in the clockwise direction. Okay. So this is for Mac. And then you can copy it. Then the next one is for the Android. So here for Android, just see this pattern. Initially it was 0, then it was 80.
80.
So now I think it should be 160 because every block is a equal block.
So 160 is the x coordinate, right?
Yeah. Yes. So because this was 0, then this was 80, then we can say this
Right.
is 160.
160.
Yeah. Roughly, I'm just adding 80 plus 80 plus 80 like this.
फिर वो 240 हो जाएगा ना दूसरा?
And this
240 होएगा वो.
yeah, no, this is left and this is top, left top.
नहीं समझा मैं. Then 165 के बाद वो 240 हो जाएगा ना?
240.
हाँ 240 हो जाएगा.
Or 2 no. 18.
Yeah 240.
हाँ roughly 240 हो जाएगा और ये 150 रहेगा और ये 150 रहेगा ये. Now this is also linked, but this part, this is not linked.
Not
Okay.
Do you understand this concept?
Yeah.
We got to do a few examples.
And then
Okay, so
now this is 240. And then this is 320. This should be another file. Suppose linux.html. So I think this linux.html, this is already here. So just click here. No, this file is not there. So we need to create all the 4 files also. Then we can implement it. But this is the thing, how we have to you create this map, this one. And it is not necessary that this map tag should be after this img tag. On this page, anywhere this map tag should be defined, and then we can use it with any img tag. Means once a map is defined, then it can be used with any image tag. Only what we have to do, we have to use this attribute, use map equal to, and then hash, and then the name of it. Do you understand this thing? This thing.
Yeah.
So this is a simple code. Let us just copy it from here and then paste it here, just for reference. Okay. Now here, this set, it can be equal to rect, first possibility. Then it can be equal to circle. This is for the second possibility. And third one is poly. In case of rect,
Oh, you remember?
you write left, top, right, bottom. In case of circle, left, top, and then radius. Actually, this left and top, this is the left and top of the center. And here, for all the turning points, x1, y1, then x2, y2, then x3, y3, like this.
Hmm.
And here, let me write it. Here, left and top are coordinates of center of circle. Okay. Means first of all we have to look at what is the center of the circle, and then we have to roughly calculate its radius. Okay, and then we need to provide these three arguments here. Okay, what is the value of left of the center, top of the center, and radius of the circle. So you can just try by downloading different images.
सर ये प्रोग्राम आपने रन किया इसको या टेक्स्ट फाइल में है पूरा प्रोग्राम ये?
नहीं दोनों जगह पे है, ये यहाँ फाइल में है, यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी है।
आप उसको जरा होमवर्क दीजिए, 3-4 असाइनमेंट्स दे दें उसको आप बाद में।
एक तो जैसे कल वाला बचा हुआ है अभी।
हाँ नहीं आप भेज दें, अभी आप अपलोड कर दें टास्क में, अभी ये करेंगे ना, फिर होमवर्क भी असाइन कर दें उसमें।
हाँ अभी मैं कर देता हूँ, यहीं पे
ओके एक मोर।
एक्चुअली एक टास्क तो मतलब जो पहले से बचा हुआ है लिंक वाला वो तो है ही।
So let him repeat his whole task again, the whole thing. You want to
What?
repeat so that he can understand. It's not about homework; it's understanding what you're doing. You didn't do it properly the last time. Okay, anyways, आप task दे दो उसको, 2-3-4 task दे दो सर।
Task 1, मतलब first of all
You have a class tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Okay, नहीं अभी आज के लिए एक ही टास्क दे दें उसको, एक या दो दे दें, 2 टास्क दे दें, फिर कल और पूरा हफ्ते के लिए दे दें। I'm sorry, I forgot.
complete the book project. That is already remaining. Okay. And then task
book project, HTML author, that finish that whole project.
Except do it properly, I guess.
You look at his code, right, and see how he's done.
Oh wait, today is the 2nd of May. It's not not the 1st of May. It's the 2nd. You wrote task 1/5/20.
no, actually this is the date. No, okay, today it is.
Yeah. Today's the 2nd. Yeah.
Okay. So this is date, and this is task number.
I know. Yeah, I know.
Then now download an image of human body.
And we can
And
take it.
Oh yeah.
Let's do that together.
Yeah, that was gonna be fun.
ये विंडोज में कौन सा एडिटर बोलते हैं आप इस्तेमाल करने for the
विंडोज में पेंट होगा ना, पेंट एंड ब्रश।
पेंट, ओके वी यूज पेंट।
हाँ पेंट होगा, या बहुत सारा आता है, एडोब भी है। विंडोज में तो होगा ना, एडोब का पैकेज होगा, या फिर पेंट एंड ब्रश तो होगा, ये पेंट एंड ब्रश में दिया जाएगा।
Yeah, but doesn't give you the code.
Well, we'll see. Yeah.
Parts of body.
What do you mean complete the book project? What do you mean by that?
The homework assignment from yesterday, finish the whole thing.
I finished the whole thing.
It's not complete yet. You have to do it by the way he said, create separate pages so it links to
No,
this page.
this book format. This one.
Yeah, so you have to jump from one to another chapter. You have to create multiple.
I have to create chapters.
Even if you do 2, just do 2.
Or
Just do chapters 1. That's it.
Book format.
At least do 1, so it links from one page to another. Just do 2 of those. तो सर वो जो आपने खोला ना अभी, जरा बताएं फिर से।
कौन सा?
जो होमवर्क बताया था ना आपने।
हाँ। Exactly. Nose, eye, ear.
Yeah. ठीक है। वो कर देंगे। ठीक है।
ये जो मैंने बताया था इसके पहले।
ठीक है। And then ये जो अभी आपने
yes.
वो बुक का कहा गया।
ये वाला था वो फाइल। Its name was.
It was over there. You just like skipped it.
This one.
हाँ नहीं वो असाइनमेंट बताया आप.
Task 29.4.1.
हाँ वो खोले आप. टास्क 29 खोले ना, ऊपर टैब है ना
हाँ,
सर.
ये वाला.
हाँ तो
So
इसमें
what
कुछ
do
नहीं
I?
करना
नो असाइनमेंट बताया ना सर, एक्चुअल होमवर्क बताया.
इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. दिस इज ओके.
नहीं सर, आप होमवर्क बता देना. एक सेकंड. HTML वो जो होमवर्क की तरह, वो असाइनमेंट जिधर
होमवर्क तो
आपने,
यहाँ पे है ना, यहाँ.
हाँ अगर खोले हो.
इसका
नहीं यार, ये नहीं यार, पुराना होमवर्क जो आपने अभी बताया था, वो बुक का जो होमवर्क है ना, कहाँ है वो
अच्छा,
असाइनमेंट?
वो तो पीडीएफ फाइल में है वो. यहाँ
हाँ कहाँ है, जरा बताएंगे वो.
ये
हाँ
पीडीएफ में
तो
है.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ सर, एक से ऊपर लेके जाएं. So create only two, about.html and author.html. Just do these two again in the way he's shown it to you, so you know how to link. You don't have to do the whole
I've
book.
already done that.
No, actually, this is already completed about.html.
So he needs to create another one called author.html or
I
publisher.html.
finished.
Yes, author,
No,
publisher.
but you need to jump from one page to another. Right now, it's all on the same page. You have to create separate documents, like do an href.
Separate pages, separate files.
These are separate files.
Chapters.html.
You have to create separate files, so it links from one file to another file to another file.
Yes.
Right now, you have everything on the same page. A true website jump from one page to the next.
Means at this moment, I have created this one, this about.html. Its name is about book.html.
Look, he's called it about book.html. Right now, he's created this, right? So
Now the
you
next
need to
file should be this chaptersbook.html. Then it should be authorbook.html. Then it should be.
when you click on this, you take it to another file called .html called chaptersbook.html.
So you want me to build on that?
Yeah, build on this then. Why don't you build on this and then just create the
You
next
can
page?
save this file with different names. Save as. Okay, and then change its content.
And then change content. You can just save it as different files and then
Save as the file. And then change
because all the links on the same page, right? He wants you to jump. That is what a true website is, jumping from one page to another page. सर वो जो href लिंक है ना, वो कहाँ डालते हैं इधर?
कौन सा?
हाँ href लिंक ऑलरेडी है इधर. अच्छा ठीक है.
यहाँ है
तो
यहाँ.
हाँ, लेकिन as long as all the files are in the same folder, it will jump, right?
Yes.
हाँ ठीक है.
That's why there is no folder name. That's why there is no folder.
Because all the files are in the same folder, right? तो अगर उसके अंदर 5-6 files बनाएंगे, we can link all those files there, right? समझो हमारे अभी ये पूरे फोल्डर्स एक ही फाइल के अंदर है ना, तो उस फोल्डर के अंदर 5-6 फाइल्स बनाएंगे तो उस सब फाइल्स को लिंक कर सकते हैं, राइट?
ऐसा इसके पहले भी किया है. एक about.html था और एक contact.html था. दोनों आपस में लिंक करके दिखाया था मैंने.
नहीं मैं समझ रहा हूँ. मैं conceptually बोल रहा हूँ मैं. If we create multiple files in one folder, we can link all those files without defining the path name.
Yes. Just we have to write href equal to and then the file name. That's all.
हाँ AHF इधर लिखा है आपने AHF हाँ equal to and about. Okay.
So only these two tasks.
Okay.
So I will just upload them.
ठीक है, अपलोड कर देते हैं. कल मिलते हैं फिर. ठीक है.
Yes.
Thank you sir.
Let's put it in, otherwise later I will forget again.
क्या हुआ?
बाद में भूल जाऊंगा ना मैं, इसलिए अपलोड कर देता हूँ.
हाँ कर दिया अभी सर.
हाँ फिर बाद में.
Thank you sir.
Uploaded.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.